Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Wednesday, March 26th. It's Greg Arbert, of course, of Gregor Speaks. Good to see you today. Lots of stuff to chat about today. I wanted to start off. So last night, I was in this cooking mood. I was in a cooking mood. Yeah, some of you think I cook every day. I don't. Being a single guy, I just don't want the hassle. But I wanted to do some chicken quesadillas. So I cooked up the chicken, the veggies, all that stuff. And I get in these modes where I want to cook something with oil, like avocado oil, like, you know, like fish and chips kind of oil kind of thing. So I just thought, well, maybe I'll make like a little egg roll kind of thing. So I had these little tortillas. They weren't very big. So I cooked with the oil, and I don't like doing it because I have to close off my bedroom door and my bathroom door because I don't like that oily smell. Well, that was out the window. So I made two of these small little quesadillas that ended up turning out like a chimichanga. Yeah, they weren't an egg roll. So they were kind of good, but I'm airing out my apartment today because it's that oily smell. I don't cook with oil very much, and I was just like, oh man, why did I do it? So land of bad decisions. So that's my life right now, clean out. A little bit of work today. I wanted to talk to you because I know the new post said I wanted to talk about the Pride celebrations, and I'm seeing a lot of stuff coming from different organizations that Pride is changing a lot this year because we're losing our corporate sponsorship because they're all falling away to this ridiculous DEI thing. It's like a 4-letter word now. And so we're going to see a lot of money that initially was for our Pride celebrations are not. And like I said, they're looking different. Corporations that are only supporting the LGBTQ community during Pride, they're selling their stuff or sponsoring, but nothing else. Is called pink washing because they're making money off of us. And they need to be allies and support us year round. And so keep that in mind when you're researching some of these corporations or what you're buying from. Make sure they're supporting us year round. The pink washing stuff is BS. I don't want to have my dollars just go to so they can make some kind of profit. So we need to be all very aware of what's going on in our LGBTQ community. Because we're all people of value. You know, we've had a lot of stuff happen to us in the past. We're all wanting love. We all want to respect. We all want to be part of the working community. And we need to do that. And Pride celebrates all of us all together. It's not just for the gay boys and the gay girls, everybody, but it's for everybody. So just remember that. We come to the mode, it'll be in another couple of months, and everybody say, well, what about straight pride? Well, honey, that's 365 days a year. We have our one moment in time, and especially now we need to all band together. We need to come together because it's just, it's one news story, weirdness after another. And we all heard about yesterday, the day before, about the defense stuff and sharing things on the chat. So it gets too much at times. So step away from the news, like I always say. Be loud and proud. Band together. Find your local places that are supporting you, supporting the community, and our allies. Please be with us. I know a lot of you reached out that you're an ally, and thank you. Give up your power, give up your privilege, and be with us always, because right now is a real trying time for all of us. I'm experiencing that a lot with my work. People say, Greg, how can you be so positive? Well, what's the other end of that? So I'm trying my best to keep afloat with my work. Please support my work. Please support what I've been doing. I want to get my message out. I'm creating these marketing materials like you're seeing right now, and I'm getting out there and giving my lectures either virtually or in person. So if you know anybody, you want a lecture at a higher ed event in April or in June, please, I'm the guy. Been doing it for a long time. I love what I do. Love connecting with people, as many of you know. So that's my soapbox moment for the Wednesday. How about them cookies? So anyway, I'm out of here. I got work to do. Love yourselves. Love others. Be inclusive. And I will see you on Friday. Take care. Thanks for watching.